Did you know you can start investing in real estate with as little as $1,000? Forget the myth that you need a fortune. Smart, innovative, low-capital strategies can unlock property ownership and get you into the market fast. Welcome to Episode 3 of our Real Estate Investment Series. Today, we're revealing the secrets to jumpstarting your property journey on a budget. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, get ready for actionable tips to build a profitable portfolio without breaking the bank. Let's start with cooperative financing. By joining a SACCO or credit union, you become a member and save regularly. A credit union is a member-owned, nonprofit cooperative financial institution. Normally, only a member of a credit union may deposit or borrow money. These not-for-profit institutions multiply your savings, funding you a loan at competitive rates. Unlike banks, any surplus, funds are returned to members via dividends, lower fees, or enhanced services, and you can even generate extra income through loan interest or reinvested savings. Once you secure the loan, target an almost ready or turnkey property so you can start earning rental income immediately to pay back the loan. And if your credit union offers moratoriums, you can flip a property during that period, resell it at a higher price, pay off the loan, and pocket the difference. Alternatively, use that money for master leasing. Cover the first few months of rent and the capital expense for furniture, then sublet the unit as a short-term stay on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. You can even opt for a rent-to-own setup. In a rent-to-own transaction, the tenant pays towards purchasing the property at a fixed price within a specific period of time, where every payment you make goes toward owning the property, all starting with minimal savings and low-interest loans. Next, let's dive into master leasing, a real hack for entering real estate with little money. Master leasing is a strategic approach where a tenant, known as the master lessee, secures a long-term lease on a property from the owner. With master leasing, you lease an unfurnished unit, then furnish it as part of your capital investment, optimally setting it up for short terms. Rentals like Airbnb. By securing a long-term master lease, you can sublet the unit as a short-term stay, often the most profitable in ROI terms, to generate rental income that covers your lease payments and earns a profit. But here's the catch. To maximize your returns, you need to build a network of short-term rental units over time. The more properties you sublease, the faster your money compounds. This compounding effect lets you create a fund to eventually purchase some of these units, reducing your overhead as you transition from renting to owning. However, there's a strategic balance. While high ROI on short-term rentals helps you expand your portfolio quickly, when you're ready to buy your first unit, you might be better off choosing a property in a market with high ROI on capital gains. That market might not be the same as where you master lease, so you'll need to scout for properties that attract high capital gains, as discussed in Part 2. In short, your short-term rental profits compound to fund rapid portfolio growth, setting you on a fast track from 0 to 100 in property ownership. Another effective strategy is to leverage low-deposit, low-interest mortgages. Many government-backed or institutional programs offer down payments as low as 3% to 5%, making it possible to purchase fully built, ready-to-rent turnkey properties without a hefty upfront cost. The key is to select properties that meet these programs' criteria and have enough savings to cover the down payment. This ensures that the rental income not only covers your mortgage repayments, but also leaves you with a margin, delivering immediate, stable cash flow. Lastly, there's a modern concept to consider: blockchain fractional ownership. Blockchain fractional ownership enables property owners to divide their assets into tokenized shares. This innovative model lets you buy small fractions, or tokens, of a property, offering an almost zero money entry point. It's a digital gateway into real estate that allows you to diversify your portfolio while you build capital for full ownership. Keep in mind that shared ownership doesn't grant full control immediately, so view this as a complementary strategy until you're ready for traditional ownership. Although developments offering this are rare, when available, they provide an incredibly low entry option. To maximize these strategies, combine them with smart property sourcing. For cooperative loans and flip strategies, look for properties through wholesale purchases, auctions, underpriced listings, or off-plan opportunities that offer lower prices and higher profit margins. When considering master leasing, focus on properties in areas with high rental ROI. Low deposit mortgage strategies work best with turnkey properties, while blockchain fractional ownership is limited to tokenized listings. Together, these approaches allow an investor with modest income to progressively accumulate the capital and equity needed for full ownership and passive income. In summary, whether it's cooperative loans, master leasing, low deposit mortgages, or blockchain fractional ownership, there's a pathway for every investor to break into real estate affordably. These strategies let you start small, compound your returns, and rapidly grow your portfolio. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel Thought Trek for more videos like this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Check out our other videos in our Knowledge Vault to learn about history, controversy, wealth, and many more topics.